हेलो, आई एम बैक विद अनदर वीडियो। आज थोड़ा सा एक फन सेशन काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग है, इसीलिए आई टेकन द एफर्ट टू गेट रेडी ऊपर नीचे पजामाज. So I put up a story on Instagram asking you guys to send in questions that I can answer in a Q&A video. If you're not following me on Instagram, please go do it. What is this behavior? I don't understand. Come on, go. So I've taken the effort to get ready. ऊपर सी clips which is falling. Never mind. Very neonish top. अपने घरों की अगर आप बत्ती बंद कर देंगे तो भी ये चमकेगी. And the matching earrings and stuff I've got ready. Okay, ऊपर नीचे PJs. Okay. So I've got the iPad. The questions are here. Let's do it. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Have you been to... Oh, these are the similar questions. I'm gonna put all the questions together. So basically these questions are about my workout or if I do any exercise. How have you been doing exercise during lockdown? Do you work out? What's your regime? Okay, so these questions are similar. I'm gonna answer them together. Yes, I do work out. Where are my dumbbells? Where are my dumbbells and gym equipments? I don't find them here. I have gym equipments at home and dumbbell also. I've never been to a gym. सब घर पे कर लो, जिम जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. What's my regime? वही जो सबका होता है. Some day are shoulder day, then some days for just the legs. जिस दिन फिर चलने की हालत नहीं रह जाती है. And some for the abs. I don't think you can see that, but I have some muscles going on here. In progress. Let's move on to the next question. Again, very similar ones. What hair color are you going for next? You know, this is interesting. I love your hair so much. Oh, thank you. Let me show you my hair. It's this long. It's brown, natural brown. This niche ka part is colored. What color am I going for next? Tinu, what color are we going for next? I think I'm gonna go for caramel soon. I think I have the color. I ordered the color. I didn't. Bigger I did. She ordered the color. This is the caramel brown, and I'm gonna go for this one because this one is very similar to my own hair. But I wanna go with this one. थोड़ा color बराबर करने को भी ऐसा तरंगी नहीं चलेगा. But once all of this is over, I think I'm gonna go for purple one day. I'm gonna do it. Moving on. Your favorite YouTuber. I've said this a million times. I'm gonna say it for another million times. Gaurav Taneja. I love him. भाई का vlog आया कि नहीं? आज भाई enjoy कर रहा है कि नहीं? सलमान खान के बाद गौरव तनेजा will be declared the national brother. सबका भाई है. Okay, this is not a question. Watching all your videos, you're doing a great job. Kudos. Thanks. A lot of questions are like this, so I'll keep putting. So everybody who's been watching my videos, I had a lot of DMs ki you guys wait for my videos. आँख से आंसू निकले थे मेरे. I don't cry generally, but I felt nice. Thank you so much for all the love. Wait, iPad don't fall. All the love back at ya. How did your interest came up to such an awesome platform? How did your interest come up to such an awesome platform? भाई YouTube कभी भी प्लान में नहीं था. The max I thought I would go for was Instagram. What was that called? IGTV. The max I thought I'll go for was IGTV. वो भी कभी प्लान में नहीं था. I always thought I'll start a blog or something, and then I started a blog which is now being left, but I'm gonna get back to it soon. So I started the blog, then I went on to IGTV. मेरे Gyara encouraged me to do that, and then पता नहीं कैसे एक दिन randomly ऐसे बात करते करते हुआ कि घर बैठे हैं कुछ है नहीं करने को. I know a few things about styling, makeup and a lot of other things, so I can start a YouTube channel. I was like, okay, cool. लेट्स ट्राई दिस. देन कुछ 2-3 दिन से ज़्यादा का प्रिपरेशन उसमें लगा था. बट या दैट्स हाउ आई केम हियर एंड लेट्स सी वेयर वी गो. थैंक यू सो मच. गला सूख रहा है, इतना दिन भर बोलने की आदत है पर भी ज़्यादा हो जाता है. I really like, oh this one is for you, I have to look for you. I really like your sister's big t-shirts or comfy wear, whatever type it is. Please tell me कहाँ से लूँ.
Men's section, any shop.
She likes baggy clothes. उसको बहुत पसंद है बड़ी बड़ी टी शर्ट्स, हुडीज, स्वेट शर्ट्स, सब वो ऐसे वो. और जो भी इफ़ यू वेयर स्मॉल बाय लार्ज, if you wear medium buy XL, if you wear large go for 2XL. ये क्राइटेरिया है. और मेन सेक्शन
I get my t-shirts from H&M.
she gets her t-shirts from H&M. Men section. Yeah, this one is also for you. You come here only. How you have decorated your room. I'm not gonna answer this. If I answer this, I'll have to bear with the taunts for the next 2 weeks. 2 हफ्ते 3 हफ्ते टॉन्ट पड़ेंगे कि करती क्या हो तुम. मेरा एक ही काम है, बालकनी साफ करना. बालकनी की हालत I'll show you. Then you judge who decorates the room and who does it. तो ये मृग्या राय जो है, ये इनका क्रिएशन है पूरा. रिसेंटली हमारा रूम पेंट हुआ था. रिसेंटली नहीं, लास्ट ईयर आई थिंक. नहीं, लास्ट ईयर ही पेंट हुआ है, याद ही नहीं रहता. लास्ट ईयर पेंट हुआ है. उसके पहले हमारा कमरा बहुत ही कोजी सा था. आई थिंक वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता देखने में. विच सॉन्ग डू यू लाइक द मोस्ट. ओके, विच सॉन्ग डू आई लाइक द मोस्ट. आई डोंट लाइक इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई डोंट हेयर इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स. आई लाइक 1 or 2. There's Girls Like You and latest Miss Senorita is on my mind always. These are the only 2 songs I like. और हैं पुराने तो बहुत सारे हैं, रिकी मार्टिन स्टफ, वो ज़माना पुराना है. हिंदी में आई लाइक ओल्ड हिंदी सॉन्ग्स लाइक लग जा गले इज़ ऑल टाइम फेवरेट. हैं बहुत ऐसे हैं. वन इज़ दैट बेकरार करके हमें यूँ न चाहिए, आपको हमारी कसम लौटे आइए, बेकरार करके हमें यूँ न चाहिए, आपको हमारी कसम लौटे आइए. लव दैट सॉन्ग. बाकी ऐसे नए से गाने में आई लव तूने जो ना कहा फ्रॉम न्यूयॉर्क. I like a lot of songs. अभी recent favorite is मेरे लिए तुम काफ़ी हो. I just love a lot of songs. सुनते नहीं हैं but that is a different thing. Okay. Your height. I think I have 2 or 3 questions regarding my height. People obsessed. I am 5'7.5" almost. With heels 5'10". Pretty tall. What have you learnt in this journey? Okay, so I think by the journey you mean the YouTube journey. The only thing I've learned is YouTube. What is YouTube? YouTube is very difficult. You have to make videos. You have to edit them, upload them. You have to have a schedule, and it takes a lot of effort. मतलब Instagram 1 post, IGTV done, good to go. Not a big deal. आधा घंटा निकल जाए, good enough. But YouTube takes efforts. My videos she edits, my sister she edits my videos, तो वो एक काम कम हो जाता है. But shooting for me is again a big deal. तो जब YouTube स्टार्ट किया था तो बड़े enthusiasm में, मतलब रोज़ वीडियो शूट करना है. आई विल पुट 1 video every alternate days ऐसे देना. बट नाउ आई फील अरे ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है, आराम करने का मौका कब मिलेगा. आई डोंट नो. सो या दैट्स वन थिंग आई हैव लर्नड कि मुश्किलें होती हैं लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा. योर फेवरेट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी. ओ शिट, आई एम ब्लैंक. फेवरेट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी ऐसे कोई फेवरेट तो नहीं है. बचपन में तो सभी अच्छा होता है, कोई काम नहीं, कुछ नहीं, खेलो दिन भर. और हमारा टाइम का बचपन तो और अच्छा था. कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं था लाइफ में, और बस कोई सोशल मीडिया वीडिया नहीं, कुछ नहीं, फ़ोन ऑन ही नहीं होते थे, बेस्ट है. बट if I have to choose, I would have to choose. One is going to my bua's place in इलाहाबाद. दीदी भैया वहाँ पे थे, तो once in 2 months और कभी कभार तो every month, या तो वो लोग यहाँ आ जाते थे या हम लोग चले जाते थे. तो मतलब बुआ's home in इलाहाबाद was my favorite place to go. That is one. दोपहर में सब लोग सो जाएं तो गार्डन में खेलना, दुनिया भर के नाटक करना. मी एंड भैया हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेजी शिट. या एंड अनदर, ओके आई शेयर अनदर वन. सो वी वर इन सेंट जॉन्स की छुट्टी कुछ 11 बजे हो जाती थी, फर्स्ट शिफ्ट. तो जब घर आते थे हम लोग, तो घर आकर के हमें लंच के पहले मैगी, अगर मैगी नहीं तो नॉर्का हॉट एंड हर सूप जग में बन के, मी, माई सिस्टर एंड माई चाचू सन, माई कज़न ब्रदर, तो हम तीनों बैठ करके एक रूम में कार्टून लगा करके हमें ये मिलता था खाने को. फिर लंच होते होते तक हमें कार्टून फिनिश कर देना होता था. तो कार्टून नेटवर्क, पोगो, डिज्नी, जितने कार्टून आते थे हम लोग सारे फिनिश कर देते थे. आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन मेमोरी आई विल चेरिश फॉर लाइफ. Next question that we have is, okay, it's a choice, mountains or oceans. That's difficult. I can't choose. I'm a water baby, so I love the oceans. Mountains, I love the mountains because मेरी go to place is Shimla. अगर कहीं भागना हो तो I'll just run away to Shimla. That's my go to place. I really love mountains and I love oceans also, so I really can't choose between this. Sorry. YouTube journey so far and where do you see yourself? I was waiting for this one, so let me start by telling you how did the YouTube journey start. As I said, Instagram से शुरू किया था. एक दिन randomly we were talking, I told my father, I was like, YouTube भी तो लोग बनाते हैं, मतलब I can try. And he was like, ठीक है. और मतलब पापा पूरे टाइम हमेशा पढ़ाई करो, अभी क्या करना है, पढ़ाई करो. पापा तो ठीक है कर लो. हाँ, आई कॉल्ड अप माई सिस्टर, माई एल्डर सिस्टर, दीदी पापा कह रही मामा ने बोला है मौलिक कर लो, इससे पहले मामा अपना दिमाग बदल ले, कर लो. ओके. देन मृग्या राय, मेरी बहन, उसने बैठ करके 2 दिन, लिटरली 2 दिन बैठ करके उसने मेरे से दिन में 50 बार पूछा था, आर यू श्योर, तुम छोड़ोगी नहीं बीच में, तुम उसको पूरा करोगी, तुम करोगी. आई डू इट. नहीं, तुम प्रॉमिस करो तुम करोगी, तुम शुरू करके छोड़ देती हो. ये प्रोसेस कुछ 3-4 दिन चला, फिर पूरा सेटअप किया गया. बिग कंट्रीब्यूशन बाय मृग्या राय एंड नित्या राय, माई सिस्टर्स. बिग कंट्रीब्यूशन अंकिशा राय, कंट्रीब्यूशन इनटू क्रिएटिंग अ मेस. बट these 2 people were the reasons behind me starting YouTube. And where do I see myself in the next 5 years? I don't know. I'll be 30. In the next 5 years I'll be 30. I don't know. और जो हालत चल रही है, आई रियली डोंट नो कि कहाँ होंगे. शायद घर पर ही होंगे सब लोग 5 साल बाद भी. बट आई थिंक आई वुड लव टू सी माई चैनल ग्रो एंड ऑल्सो थोड़ा पढ़ाई लिखाई कर लेते हैं हम. फेवरेट TV शो? ओके, फ्रेंड्स. आई थिंक बहुत ही जेनेरिक सा आंसर है सबका इसके लिए. आई थिंक फ्रेंड्स इज़ एवरीबडीज फेवरेट, सो लेट्स नॉट कीप फ्रेंड्स इन द कैटेगरी. इट्स आउट. So friends, one, I really like CSI. CSI is a very old show, I think 2000 or something. Very old show, CSI, loved it. I'm recently watching Mentalist. Mentalist is amazing. Also, Two Broke Girls was an amazing show. Next question. Okay, now I can literally show you. I put together these questions. They're all about my tattoos, so I think इसके लिए एक separate segment चाहिए होगा. My tattoo, story behind your tattoo, what are the tattoos on you, tell about your tattoos, how many tattoos you have. Oh, okay, a lot of people are very curious about my tattoos. I have 6 tattoos. I'm planning to get many more. Love tattoos. आई वॉज नेवर अ फैन ऑफ टैटूज़. मैंने कभी ज़िंदगी में सोचा नहीं था मैंने टैटू कराना है. मेरी बहन को टैटू कराना था, तो हम लोग टैटू कराने जा रहे थे. बट देन सडनली ऐसे ऐसे मन किया मेरा कि आई वॉन्ट टू गेट अ टैटू. मेरे को टैटू कराना है, पर मेरे को एक ही कराना था. एंड इट वॉज फॉर माई डॉग. शी पास्ड अवे इन 2012. Angel. I wanted to get, I don't know if you can see, but there's this angel. So I saw this tattoo and I was like, I want to get one tattoo which has Angel's name on it. पर वो टैटू कराने के बाद थोड़ा सा कुछ अलग ही फितूर चढ़ गया. आई वाज लाइक आई नीड मोर टैटूज, मतलब समथिंग दैट रिमाइंड्स मी कि कुछ करते रहना है. सो आई गॉट वन हियर ऑन द बैक ऑफ माई नेक विच सेज लाइफ इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. Then these two tattoos were done in one day. That was the first time I got tattoo. Angel is my first tattoo, and then later on I got 4 tattoos together in one day. One is this. It says fearless. Stories तो बहुत ज़्यादा है वो बताने पर. I think we'll keep it for another segment. One is this. This was a random one because I just felt like I need this. This says create. That means create. I have one here. I don't think I can show you. I don't think it will be visible to you. This says Carpe Diem. Where is the other tattoo? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 2 on the ankles. 1 on the back of my neck. So I have 6 tattoos in total. And I'm gonna get many more. What did you study? किताब बहुत सारी किताबें पढ़ी है मैंने. I mean, I think the question means my graduation or something. I've done psychology. I'm doing my master's in clinical psychology, hanging in my final year because of the corona situation. Somebody please help. Keep working like you do. बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो आप. Thank you. I think these are compliments. Thank you so much. Okay, 2 compliments. I love your videos. They deserve more views and you deserve more subscribers. So guys, if you're watching this, please subscribe to the channel. See, people are asking you to subscribe. Thank you. What were you like in school or college? I'm pretty sure you don't want to know. School में I was this person who wouldn't talk to people much. मेरे अपने 2-4 दोस्त थे, उन तक ही रहना है. उससे ज़्यादा आई डिडंट गो अराउंड टॉकिंग टू पीपल और समथिंग. आई डिड नॉट लाइक टू टॉक टू पीपल ऑल्सो बिकॉज स्कूल का स्टोरी ही अलग है. आई हैव बीन थ्रू अ बैड फेज इन स्कूल. तो अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कैसे बोलूँ, for few things I was bullied and stuff, so I did not like to talk to people. But again थोड़ा पर्सनैलिटी ऐसी है कि आई कम अक्रॉस समबडी जिससे अगर कुछ बोलो तो सामने से कुछ सुन लोगे. तो अगर कोई बुली भी करता था तो सामने से ऐसे दूर से खड़े होकर के. बट आई वुड नेवर गेट स्कैर्ड. आई जस्ट डोंट टॉक टू देम. सो आई वाज वेरी क्वाइट किड इन स्कूल. इन कॉलेज अगेन I didn't have a lot of friends because I didn't make friends. I don't like to make new friends. जो हैं वो हैं और नहीं चाहिए. बस लाइफ में इतना ही बहुत है और से आपे नहीं चाहिए. 3 are compliments. I'm gonna just put them together. Love the way you speak. I love your voice. Oh, you love my voice. I think my voice is a little थोड़ा सा ऐसा, but okay, thank you so much. It's big boost up. You have an interesting personality. It's so refreshing to see you. Oh my god. Thank you so much. मेरी पर्सनालिटी की तारीफ कोई पहली बार कर रहा है. Love the way you speak. I just say what I feel. मतलब वो brain to mouth filter होता है ना, उसका थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. So I just say what I feel like. No filters. कुछ होना चाहिए ऐसा. #no filter. Your favorite movie? My favorite Hindi movie would be Kal Ho Na Ho. I love it. I love Rang De Basanti. Oh, my top favorite is Bhool Bhulaiya, which is being remade. Okay, but Bhool Bhulaiya is my all-time favorite. And Hollywood, I think Speed, the original, the first one, Keanu Reeves. I think Speed is my favorite one, and also there is The Devil Wears Prada, Harry Potter series, obviously, and I really love This Is Where I Leave You. You can't find it anywhere. You'll have to download it if you want to watch. It's not on Netflix, not on Prime, nowhere. But please find it and watch it. It's amazing. Your family, 4 question marks. Your favorite. My favorite family is my own family. If I can decipher this, I think you mean your favorite family member. How do you choose your favorite family member? You can't. So my family is quite big. I live in a joint family. So Baba, Dadi, my papa's mommy, my choti dadi, we also call her mommy, Ma, Papa, we two, Chachu, Chachi, their kids, my cousin brother, Muski is my Chachu's daughter. My buas live in Delhi, both the buas, I have 2 buas. I have 4 cousins there. My elder sister is married, so I have only 1 Jiju, and then there is Arjun. Arjun is my nephew, and my nanny's home is literally 5 minutes away from my house. So Nana, Nani, Mama, Mami, and my cousins, they are twins. So this is my entire family. Good small family we have. And my favorite family or family member, if you are asking, right now my favorite family member is my baby, my Arjun, my nephew, my son is my favorite. Also Muski is another child. I've literally brought her up, so both of them are my kids. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you go? Anywhere in the world, okay, I can go anywhere. I would probably go to some place, Ibiza. I love Ibiza. The houses there, I love them. I think Ibiza. I'll go to Ibiza. If not, then Aukat pe aate, Shimla. How do you deal with hate? I've been touch wood. I need wood. Is there any wood in this place? So touch wood. I've not got hate. मतलब उतना ज़्यादा जितना लोगों को मिलता है जनरली. ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई एम स्टार्टिंग आउट, अभी तो रास्ता लंबा है, लोग आते जाएंगे. बट टू मी पीपल हु हेट आर जस्ट somebody who's sitting behind a screen, hiding behind a screen and hating on you. I don't think it makes sense to reply to them. I get a lot of comments, not a lot of comments, or 1 or 2 comments about my face or something, and then I'm like, okay, my voice and stuff I don't really care about. I also get a lot of DMs, but I reply them with a smile. I hope you have a good day. That's it. I don't indulge in fights like that. If it's about me, I don't. If it's about somebody who I love, I'll rip you apart with my bare hands. I have that side too. Why so cute? I was born like that. How do you have this extremely clear skin? Me? See, I can tell you, like all the people do, eat healthy, eat good, drink a lot of water, but I'm not gonna tell you that. Just follow good skincare routine. वो ढूंढने में, अपना स्किन केयर रूटीन ढूंढने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बट वंस यू गेट देयर जस्ट फॉलो इट, दैट्स इट. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. खाना तो जो खाना है खाओ. ज़िंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. जितना खाना है, जो खाना है खाओ. आई बिलीव इन दैट एंड आई ईट वॉट एवर आई लाइक. बस. तो हाँ, ये तो ऐसे ही स्ट्रेस ना लेने की भी वजह से है. आई डोंट टेक स्ट्रेस, आई ओनली गिव स्ट्रेस. I don't take stress, only give. I believe in the I believe in giving. I'm a very giving person, so I don't take stress, I give it. Do you have any sibling? Yes, one very crazy one. What to do with her? Maybe toss her in a dustbin or something. Kidding, love her. What or who is your inspiration? Oh, I think I myself am my own inspiration. नहीं, kidding. I would have to say my sister. She is the one who keeps motivating me. She also is very inspiring क्योंकि छोटी सी है पर दिमाग बहुत है, काम भी बहुत कुछ कर देती है. इसकी ज़्यादा तारीफ होती नहीं है मेरे से, निकल नहीं रही है. शी इज़ वॉचिंग, तारीफ नहीं हो पाती है, बट लीव इट टू हर. If you have a sister or a brother, any sibling, younger one, you will understand this relationship. But yeah, this one, I would also say my elder sister. Nitya, if you're watching this, I love you. So these two are my inspirations. Your parents are okay with decision to make YouTube one video? I just shared. I was like, should I do it? And they were like, yeah, go ahead, do it. My mother keeps sharing links in her WhatsApp group. So yeah, they're pretty okay with it. Everybody has been so supportive. It's a long way to go ahead still. Some exercise and diet plan videos I would film. I am very hesitant in filming myself working out because फिर आधे लोग उस पर चढ़ते हैं, योर फॉर्म इजंट करेक्ट, योर दिस इजंट करेक्ट. अपना करो, दूसरे को करने दो. सो बट आई विल ट्राई टू मेक इट. थोड़ा सा इन प्रोग्रेस है. आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन सी दिस, बट सो आई थिंक वी आर डन विद द क्वेश्चंस. I think we're done with the questions, all that I had. I'm pretty sure we are done with the questions. A lot of questions, answered them all as much as I could, and please do appreciate my effort of getting ready, okay? Wearing a neon top, getting ready, pins. अरे ये खिसक गई. Putting some makeup here, this liner and this eyeshadow thing. Efforts. Ignore this because this is gonna be till the end of this year. Everybody stay in your PJs, no need to go out. So yeah, this was the video. अगर अच्छा लगा तो please press the like button. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो share it with your friends and family. You know the drill by now. So this was the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you have more questions, I will put a story on Instagram. Go follow me there. Ask me. I will do another Q&A very soon with my sister because there are a lot of questions regarding her. She'll answer them on her own. Yeah, so this was the video. Please do like, share, comment, and एक subscribe का button है उसको. So next time I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, signing off.